everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 6th to the 10th of October 2025 on Monday. Who will be the first to wave the white flag between Nkunzi and Insizwa? Lily is like a bloodhound when she is convinced Madongwe is hiding a big secret behind her locked door, and Prince is at a loss of words when his helper treats him poorly without reason on Tuesday. A box on the doorstep sent Nkunzi spiraling. A hidden wound tells a deeper story than words ever could at the Xaba house, while Prince battles internal doubt as he confronts his creative risk on Wednesday. Won't Nkunzi finally do right by Insizwa? Can Madongwe convince the family to soften up to Lily's father? And will Sbu and Fila's relationship go back to what it used to be on Thursday? Perfeni makes a costly mistake that leads to Kazibulo's escape. The Xaba family eases to Mr. Dongwe's presence while Lily distances herself on Friday. At the ATM, panics erupt as a high-stakes transaction spiraled out of control. Mzamo's gossips leaves Figile questioning each other and elsewhere. Dreams are success and whispers of fraud threaten to append everything. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.